What's going on, guys? My name is Carlos Garcia and I stream on Twitch as Basic Streams. If you guys want to follow me or watch any of my videos, I'll leave the link in the description. I've also made another video about how to get the Yeti mic to sound this way. It's literally just a USB mic and a stand, really. I mean the arm here. But and it's a couple settings you gotta mess on voice meter, but it's you guys should check it out if you guys want to get a decent mic. It's a cheap mic. Well, I say a cheap mic. It's about like $100 for the good one, I guess. Well, anyways, what this video is gonna be about, it's getting your gaming PC sound to your headset and to your streaming PC. Sorry, that's for a 2 PC setup. So if you have 2 PC setup and you're having issues with this, I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So first things off, I'm gonna put the link in the description for this Game Capture HD, which it should just be on the Elgato website. You download Game Capture HD and it's gonna come with sound capture, so you only gotta do one, doesn't matter. So you don't gotta open up Game Capture, but the main one is sound capture here. So what you're gonna do, this is your gaming PC. You know, I got this wallpaper just so you guys won't get confused. The other one is just the Windows wallpaper on the streaming PC. So you open up sound capture, and how you're normally gonna have it, it's you know, off, right? You're gonna have these 5 panels. You're gonna go to PC gaming, and on here where it says where do you want to hear your PC gameplay, you're gonna put Elgato NVIDIA high definition audio. That's the first step. And then which output is your Elgato game capture device connected to? That's gonna be your headset. I have Astros, but right now I don't have them connected to the gaming PC because I was doing something on the streaming PC. I was editing a video, but yeah, like right here on the bottom one, that's where you're gonna select your gaming headset. So now with this setup like this, you will have audio in your gaming headset and on your streaming OBS setup. So you have audio where you need it, basically. So yeah, I'm gonna hop over to the streaming PC now. I'm just gonna switch slides because I'm on OBS. Here we go. Okay, and as you guys can see, actually hold on, let me hop back into the gaming PC. So I'm gonna open Valorant. It's the game that everybody's playing right now. Just show you guys that the audio is actually working. Let me see if I can make this capture here smaller. Yeah, I can. I'm pretty sure I could have found another way, but okay. So you guys can see the actual game now, right? And you guys hear that background music, right? You see these bars moving down here? That's the actual background music. Like if I go to practice games, this is just to show you guys that the sound is actually working. This little screen here that you guys see is my my gaming PC, and the rest of it is my streaming PC. It took me like 10 hours to figure this shit out. So here he goes. You see that? Gunshot, gunshot, gunshot. Pretty good. There's no delay or anything, so it's pretty good to have. All right, guys. Now that you see that it's working, you're gonna go to your streaming PC and open up OBS, this is what I have here, and you're gonna go add device or whatever that is, and then go to video capture device. It's important that you click on video capture device, and then if you know, create new if you don't have one. This is what I named Elgato, right? Elgato, right? This is Elgato Capture Card HD60 Pro. So I already have one done, so I must select it here. Once you open it, this is what you're gonna get. I have it on Game Capture HD60 Pro Video 01. I've made it work on both of them, so you know, you can go whichever one. I think I'm pretty sure one has something above the other one or something. So on resolution FPS, you could do custom or you could leave it as default. It's up to you. I have it on 920 by 1080 because that's what I stream on, 60 FPS. Buffering, I disabled it. I don't know if that's a good idea or not, but I did it. Okay, here's the important part. Audio output mode. You're gonna put it. It's on default. It's gonna be on capture audio only. But what you want it on is output desktop audio. So you see how it's moving here, the actual audio. All right, look. If you have it anything else, direct sound is not gonna work, or capture audio only is not gonna work. You have to have it on output desktop audio, wave out. Make sure it's that. And let me see. Yeah, that's it right there. That's pretty much what took me forever to figure out, but hopefully it could help you guys out. You know, not waste time, because I know when I set up my 2 PCs, I was like, hell yeah, I'm ready to stream. I'm ready to do all this, but that took me so long. I wasted a whole day. Well guys, I think that's pretty much it. If you guys want to sub to me or watch me stream any game really, I usually play Valorant lately, Escape from Tarkov, Fortnite, Call of Duty, Modern Warfare, Warzone. You know, a lot of games I've really been streaming lately. But if you guys want to check me out, link will be in the description. And yeah, hope you guys figure all you guys' problems out. If you guys have any questions, you can just comment down below. I'll answer you guys. Like I'm pretty fast at answering comments, so don't worry. But yeah, thanks for watching guys. Peace.